Food biotechnology can help to mitigate food insecurity issues.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Iraisha binti Suhaimi. I will explain about the introduction. What is food insecurity? Food insecurity is a disruption of food intake or eating pattern due to lack of money or other resources. Food insecurity doesn't cause of hunger, but hunger itself will be the possible outcome of food insecurity. Food insecurity can be influenced by income, employment, race or ethnicity, and also disability. All of this can cause to lead the food insecurity.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Fadila. Today, my friend Aimi Hazra and I will interview two respondents to see their awareness regarding to the food insecurity issue in Malaysia. Assalamualaikum and hi, how are you?
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Nohaziza Kamaruddin.
Please, before we start with our short interview, my friends and I as food biotechnology student want to say thank you so much for your participation in this video awareness. For your information, there is an issue about food insecurity in Malaysia. People these days are lacking in nutritious food as well as unhealthy lifestyle. Here we go to the question. In your own words, how can you define malnutrition?
Okay, malnutrition is referred to the lack of the nutrition, or also can define as inadequate nutrition.
Yes, your answer is closely true. Actually, malnutrition is not only referred to deficiency of nutrition, it is also referred to the excesses or imbalance in person intake of energy or nutrition. Does not just happen to people who have a shortage of food supply, but to developing country too.
Okay, thank you for your briefing. Now I know the fact about the malnutrition.
Okay, thank you, Miss. Let's move to the next question. There are many types of malnutrition. Can you name the two of it?
From my understanding, malnutrition can be classified as undernutrition and also overnutrition. Is it true?
Yes, your answer is exactly correct. For your additional information, the condition for undernutrition is a condition which includes stunting, which is low height for age, wasting, which is low weight for height, underweight, which is low weight for age, and micronutrition deficiency or insufficient is a condition where a lack of important vitamin and minerals.
Meanwhile, the overnutrition condition is recently related to the overweight, obesity, and also disease not related to diet like heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and cancer.
Here we go to the last question. The question is, in your opinion, what are the effects of malnutrition on kids?
I think for my opinion, the kids will have a problem during their development, especially on their physical development.
Yes, it is true. Having problem during development process is one of the effects of malnutrition. Besides that, for your information, malnutrition among children is dangerous because that will lead to cognitive impairment, blindness, and sometimes death. So, this issue should be taken seriously by all parties. To overcome this crisis, it is important to give enough and balanced nutrition to child for their normal development process. That's all for our short interview. Once again, I would like to say thank you so much for you, Miss Nur Haziza, for spending your precious time to get involved in this video.
Okay, thank you for having me today. Today I get something about the malnutrition. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, I am Aimina Zura. Thank you to my friend Fadila for the smooth interview. So now we'll proceed with our second respondent. Let's go.
Assalamualaikum, how are you?
Waalaikumsalam, I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Farah Izzati.
So, thank you very much for lending us a bit of your time for this interview.
For your information, one of the significant issues that our country are facing right now is food insecurity, which means being in a state of deprived reliable access to a sufficient quantity of affordable and nutritious food and causing people to lead an unhealthy lifestyle.
Wow, that sounds like a serious issue.
Yeah, so this issue is closely related to malnutrition. So how would you simply define the term malnutrition?
Oh, I have read about it before, and if I'm not mistaken, malnutrition is the condition where the person is having imbalance, as in insufficient or excessive intake of nutrients. Am I right?
Yep, you're absolutely correct.
So it seems like you are well aware about this alarming issue. You see, malnutrition does not just occur in less developed countries, but also developing countries like Malaysia, especially at household level.
Now moving on to my next question, which will be a piece of cake for you. Can you name the two main types of malnutrition?
Yeah, it's overnutrition and undernutrition.
That's true.
So, to jog your mind, World Health Organization had underlined that the forms of undernutrition includes stunting, as in low height for age, wasting or thinness, low weight for height, underweight, low weight for age, and lastly, micronutrient deficiencies, as in lacking of important vitamins and minerals. As for the overnutrition, it includes overweight, obesity, and diet-related non-communicable diseases such as heart disease, stroke, and diabetes.
Now that you have mentioned it, I realize that all the conditions are actually a familiar occurrence among people in our country. Thank you for the detailed explanation.
I know, right? And you're welcome. Then for the last question, in your opinion, what are the effects of malnutrition on children?
As you have stated before, the malnutrition children will be stunted, so I think they will have problems with the development of their physical and mental state. They will be smaller than average kids of their age, physical impairment, and since their brain are not well developed, they may have lower IQ.
Affirmative.
Children in particular are much more vulnerable, so if there are severely malnutrition, it may even lead to death. So we should always be concerned with people around us for a healthier future.
And that's all for this interview. So I would like to once again thank you for this fun and informative session.
You're welcome.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Farah Shahida. As a food biotechnology student, we want to share our knowledge to reduce this crisis based on the perspective of food biotechnology in agriculture. Golden rice is genetically modified crop that intended to increase dietary vitamin A are known as biofortified crop. So what is biofortified? Biofortification is the process to increases the nutritional value in crops. So this golden rice can produce beta-carotene which is not normally produced in rice. Then that beta-carotene will be converted into vitamin A when metabolized by human body. One of the malnutrition problem in developing countries is vitamin A deficiency, VAD. VAD causes dryness of eyes that lead to blindness, especially for children, reduced immune system, and premature death. We need vitamin A for healthier skin, vision, and to our immune system. Therefore, golden rice has potential to be valuable asset against vitamin A deficiency. Golden rice can be beneficial because it serves a supplementary source of vitamin A and beta-carotene. To be concluded, the use of genetic engineering to increasing the nutritional value of edible plant, specifically describing GM crop. Golden rice developed to increase the dietary of vitamin A. So, please make sure that you get sufficient amount of vitamin A in your body. For the conclusion, food insecurity is a health issue and also an economic issue. Food insecurity can be treated by healthy eating, as what we suggested to consume golden rice instead of just regular rice. Although it was a GMO food, it also can provide solution for vitamin A deficiency problem in places like India and also Philippines. Golden rice can prevent weakened heart
and promote stronger society with children who are not going to be blind.
That's all from us. Thanks for watching.